Could you do this ski run without stopping? Number 3 on my list of the best ski runs in the Three Valleys is the long flowing blue run, Jerusalem. This run is a hidden gem on this vast piece map found on the Meribel side of the Three Valleys ski area. For anyone that loves a cruisy blue, this is the run for you. Some of my favourite runs are the ones that feel like they never stop, and this one provides exactly that. It's confidence inspiring and smooth, perfect for intermediates. This is a run you can really open up on. Comments on a previous video of mine said I had to give Jerusalem a go, and I'm so thankful for those who suggested it. Having only skied the top section before, I decided to head back and experience it in its entirety, and what a recommendation. It starts up towards the Tougnete peak at 2,400 meters, giving you the opportunity to drop a kilometer of elevation as you ski all the way down to Saint-Martin-de-Belleville, where a series of modern lifts are waiting to whisk you back up towards Meribel. The easiest way to access is via the Tougnete lift from Meribel Centre. I skied this run during a fairly mild January. I can only imagine what the lower tree-lined section is like to ski through after fresh snowfall. To get all the way down to Saint-Martin, pick up the BLA run after Jerusalem ends and you'll reach the bottom at 1,400 meters, giving you the perfect opportunity to stop for a hot chocolate or lunch and let your thighs recover. What a treat this run is. Please comment below if you've skied this run and follow to see number 2 on my list of the best Three Valleys ski runs.